What's up, guys? So today we're here at the castle. Haven't been here in over a year, so we're gonna go check it out today. That's the plan. Pretty much gonna use just the wall-away phone. So there's a lot of places out here to take photos, and they're doing a tour. Whoops, went the wrong way. They're doing a tour. That's why all those people are there. We're not doing that tour. It's too long, too boring. But there's a ton of places to get photos. There's chairs and tables out there. It's pretty nice. Nice place to come and chill, hang out, for sure. It costs, I forgot to do the price. So for adults, it's 17 mil peso per person. If you're doing the tour, I believe it's only 3 mil more, 20 mil per person. I've done it twice before. Pretty long, pretty boring, so I'm good. See, so yeah, this is the back side of the castle here.